Hi, Xhorse fans. Previously, the RH850 cable for Keto Plus caught the attention of many friends. Now, the RH850 cable for multi-prog is also hitting the market to great anticipation. This cable supports reading from the following 3 series of instruments, which require the use of the multi-prog. Today, we'll demonstrate the data reading process using the 1402 instrument. Friends who need to calculate EMO data will also need a VVDI2. If you have a Keto Plus, you can use it for calculations as well. Let's get started without further ado. First, open the multi-prog software. Find the option and view the connecting diagrams. Remove these 8 components. Scrape up the PCB mask. Solder the wires to connect the cable and instrument. Secure them with acetate tape. Continue soldering the wires on the other side. Once the soldering is successful, connect the cable, multi-prog, computer, and VVDI2. Don't forget to power the multi-prog. Now, let's proceed to read the data. Click Track Reading. You can check the read progress in the bottom left corner. Wait patiently for a few minutes. After successful reading, click here to save the file. Open the VVDI2 software. Enter the V850 platform. Select Keylearn MQB platform instrument, locked in EC35XX. Click here to decode EMO data. Load the encrypted data just read by multi-prog. Well, it's successful. Simply save the EMO data file for making dealer key and adding key. That concludes the usage method of the MQB RH850 cable for multi-prog. No cutting wires, no lifting pins, significantly reduces the risk of instrument damage. Very practical. See you guys next time.